So preparing the grounds for fresh grass, what I've done is I have spread the bunnies poo-poo and wee-wee on the whole ground, and this is, in my opinion, the most potent organic manure you can ever get. And this is another benefit of keeping bunnies. If you are into gardening, you can see we got a lot of the bunny droppings sitting there, which I'm going to try to market for organic planters, people who believe in pure organic gardening. And tied it up a little bit, so I'll spread it. Next thing I'm gonna do is try to mix it in a nice way, but what I also want to do is to even up the surface a little bit more so that the manure will soak in properly before I spread the grass seed. And this is Rabito Famino and Lawman DIY. You can see the bunnies are really chilling. So basically they sponsor their own food, because this will be a lot of food for them come the summer, spring to summer. So I thought I'll bring you in so you can have a look at where we are at. As you can see, I've cleared a lot from the garden. I've got to clear this bit as well. And then we're gonna do a little bit more, like create some fencing stuff for the bunnies. And you see May having a shower. Hello, May. She's having a shower. She's busy. They're all doing good. Belle is right behind her, but she's camouflaged in the dark. They are all doing wonderful. Hey, Chapo. Hello, Chapo. Say hello. Hello, Chapo. And we got Gustavo here. Gus, where are you? Hello. Hello, you. Hello, Gustavo. Hello, Gus. Hello, Gus. Hello, Gus. Hello, Gus. Then we have Shakira and Beyonce right there. Hello, girls. I don't know if you can see, but they are grooming each other. It's grooming time. Grooming each other. And this is another reason why you want to keep them in pair. So there are so many benefits to keeping rabbits. Their dropping is organic manure, and they are lovely pets to have around. They communicate with you and you get more benefits from them. Rabito Famino. Catch you up the next video.